Alright, hey guys, this is Austin here. Got a quick unboxing to do. Not a couple things in there. One is a new gun, so we'll get right into this. First thing is, I got a few these little BB holding grenades. I thought these were pretty cool, so I just got two of those. I thought they were neat, so I just, yeah, whatever, $4. Something to hold BBs in. A few of those. Another thing is, I got the UHC, my bad, USP non-blowback pistol, which I'll probably do a review on later. And then order forms and crap. Give you a little sticker or whatever that is, sticker. And then a propane adapter so I can use my gun. And that's about it for the unboxing. Might as well just go right into unboxing the gun, because everybody wants to see the gun, you know. Okay, here it is. You get a gas 15-round mag, little spring there. Here's the gun. Mostly all plastic. All plastic. Has a moving slide, so that's cool. Can't really do it when I'm holding the camera. But get a little sample pack of crappy BBs. Don't really just throw those away, but here's the gun. It looks nice, you know. Looks real good. Safety right here. Non-blowback, $27 on AirSplat. I needed a sidearm, so it's good enough, you know. I didn't really want to pay $80 for a blowback just to waste gas. So that's about it for this unboxing. I'll have a review on this gun later. For now, that's it. See ya.